Hi, I'm Nomi Ruiz. Welcome back to my channel, Femme Hair. Today I wanted to talk about two things. One is a new segment I wanted to introduce on this channel called Femme Radio, which is kind of like a talk show where I have some friends and people from my community come in to get an install by me while I interview them, chat with them, and allow you to get to know them a little better. Today my first guest is my bestie and partner in crime, AVA SANJURJO, who is also my partner on our podcast, Bodega Dolls. The other thing I wanted to talk about are two different products that we're launching on HighDefFemmeHair.com. One is our elastic melting bands, which we all love. You know, you can use them for makeup, to put your makeup on, to melt your install, to put your skincare products on and protect your lace front. They have our little signature logo. And the other thing is our HD wig caps. These are super thin, super sheer, have ultra stretch. They're perfect for doing a ball cap method, which I'm going to actually do today with my first guest, AVA SANJURJO. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think will benefit from it. And let's get into it. You're listening to Femme Radio. Hi, I'm here with your favorite funny girl, Miss AVA SANJURJO.
Hey kids. Hey kids.
So, okay, I have launched Femme Hair, for those of you who don't know, and we just released our accessories. So we have our elastic melting band.
Love this. Use this.
So cute.
I love this.
Little,
yeah, I use it.
I call it ice pink logo.
Oh, she's always been icy.
And so today I wanted to show off our HD wig caps.
HD.
Which are perfect for doing a ball cap method. I'm actually already bald. If you don't already know, I have alopecia areata. Shout out to the bald baddies out there.
Ow.
It's actually Alopecia Awareness Month.
Oh, I did hear that.
Yeah.
All right. Look at me. Look at us hanging out.
She's aware.
I'm aware.
So I wanted to demonstrate how these can be used underneath our wigs, but obviously I'm already bald, so it makes no sense to do it on myself. So Ava has gifted herself to me today as my model.
All of this.
So we're gonna actually transform her.
I've always wanted to be blonde.
Make her into
my god, with a dark root like Madonna.
Like a punky blonde.
I love a punky blonde.
This is our See the Light unit.
Oh, she saw the highlight of it all.
Single donor virgin hair.
Single donor?
I also have a virgin with raw hair.
She's single?
Girl, she's single.
Oh.
That means her hair was scalped from one person.
Oh, just the one.
I toned it and rooted it myself. All these wigs are made by me by hand.
Gorge.
They're made to be 100%.
That's why you haven't called me. I get it.
Yeah, these are made to be like super cozy. They're made specifically for 24/7 wig wearers like myself. Like this is a home. This is our Lost and Lust.
Lost and Lust. And it smells good, by the way. Yeah, it smells great.
And so we're gonna like demonstrate that with the use of these
Oh my god, I'm so excited to be blonde. I've always wanted to do this.
Okay, I'm gonna first have to braid her hair. I'm gonna just do that off camera so I don't waste your time.
Okay.
And then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. She's all braided now. Here are the caps.
Cap it.
They come 2 in a pack.
Ooh. That's a lot of bang for your buck.
One to keep, one for good luck.
Oh. I love it. Oh.
Super stretchy, ultra stretch.
May I?
Super
Ooh, that's
thin.
nice. Silky. Yes.
Yeah.
Love it.
So let's get into the ball cap method.
I'm so excited. It's my first time.
Oh, we're going to Gorilla Glue your edges back.
Is that from Home Depot? Girl.
No, the other
girl. Okay.
It's Gorilla Gel.
Okay. Because I'm in it to win it, but
Not Home Depot.
Okay, just checking.
No, this is.
I'm fully committed. But
the other Gorilla Glue.
The other Gorilla Glue. So you're edging me?
Yeah, we're just gonna pull all your edges back.
I love
To
edging.
keep them like.
I'm all about edging.
There are lots of different gels out there that I'm not actually, as a bald bitch, I'm not well versed in.
Fun fact, me being a crunchy, curly Puerto Rican bitch, I myself only know of the one. What was it? Depp.
Oh my god, did that still exist?
I don't know. It's probably somebody's sued at this point. I have no idea. That's all I know. And Vidal Sassoon.
Oh my god. Okay, the edges are all
back. Edging.
And now we put the cap on.
Oh, okay. Let's get her in. Got it.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Don't blink.
If I hear that one more time, say Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I love this.
Okay, today we're using Ghost Bond.
I always love the idea of transformation and playing with your look.
It's so fun.
It's so fun. It's just another side of your personality, you know? Blow it. Oh, there you go.
Really like my traditions. Perfect.
Oh, God, yes. It is still fairly insanely quite relaxing.
I love that. Now I'm gonna take some of your foundation.
Yes.
Always NARS.
Always NARS.
Always NARS, girls.
So excited. Did you ever sniff glue?
Oh my god.
I love the smell of spray paint.
That's fun because it reminds you of getting banged by a skater boy.
Aw, it's true. Do you need me to
Hold her right there.
hold her? Holding. Yes. Get her in. Ooh, work. That is cute. Oh, this is not going anywhere tonight.
Well, this is gonna last 1 week.
Girl, I'll see you in a week. So it turns out blondes do have more fun. I'll see you in a week. Gag.
There we go.
Oh shit, bitch. Oh my god. Really? Oh shit, bitch. It's in.
Zoom in there, honey.
Oh, wow. Wait, is this happening? Yes.
So let her melt a bit there.
Oh, so you're gonna steam her down.
Yeah.
And how long does this take to seal?
This I would leave at least like 20 minutes.
Oh, cute.
This is the look.
This is crazy.
Let's give her some curls.
She is divorced.
She got alimony.
She got alimony.
There was no prenup.
She got it. She started a club. She started a club. It's in the Lower East Side. It's jazz, by the way.
Jazz only.
It's only jazz.
No electronic.
Actually, a little bit of trip hop because we lived through trip hop.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Trip hop.
Trip hop. Only Portishead jazz. And Bjork.
Actually, that sounds fun.
Right?
Like, okay, she's ready.
Can I turn?
Yeah.
The other Kim. Oh my god, I can't. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. I used to be scared of the dick. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is fantastic.
Get to like up to.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is cute.
Oh my god, this is mad cute. Oh bitch.
Like that's the look. Right
That's
there.
the look. Look at it. Wow. I'm a photographer, freelance. I'm a freelance photographer. And my husband is backing my book. And they're all selfies.
It's called Sex Again.
Sex Again by myself. From myself. The forward is from me. This is dope as fuck, bitch. Hey guys, sorry I'm late. I was doing my roots.
You look so good.
I own a club in the Bronx. I serve wings at 11. Our happy hour starts at 3 and it ends at 11. Because we love teachers. Am I married or divorced? I have a boyfriend.
Oh, for
But
sure.
he doesn't know it. I let him stay once a week. And by stay, I'm not there when he's there. He still has not tried my cooking because I refuse. Oh my god. I can't stop looking at myself.
Oh my god.
I'm giving like Faith Evans and Madonna.
Hi Def Femme.
Hi Def Femme, bitch. Oh my god, I love this.
I hope you enjoyed the first segment of High Def Femme Radio. Please listen to me and Ava on our podcast, Bodega Dolls. I'll put a link to it in the description. And I look forward to our next episode. Stay tuned.